getting started is the hardest part. And personally, I wanted to wait until I had a microphone, I had a ring light, which doesn't work. I had all the settings right. I knew how to edit things, and I don't know how to do any of that for YouTube. And it's been months of me literally watching YouTubes on how to YouTube, and I've not made a single video. Okay. So if you are sitting there right now and this has popped up on your feed, clearly the algorithm is trying to tell you something, that whatever you're thinking about doing, you need to just start it. Now, I know I'm going to post this and I'm going to look back on this in quite a few years and say, oh my gosh, how cringy. But you know what? I'm also going to look back and I'm going to say, okay, that was the video that actually got me off my butt and allowed me to start filming consistently and starting my business and helping more people. So yeah, this is just me sitting in a towel, you know, fresh out the shower, just telling you to start, no matter how cringy, no matter how imperfect, because that's definitely what this is. But yeah, just get started. Take the first step. You don't even have to take a big step. I've watched a lot of videos, and a really good takeaway that I have from that is get 1% better every day. And I have seen that on quite a few creators' channels, and it just really made me feel a lot better, because I have a lot of anxiety and everything that goes along with that. So to think about going from 0 to 100 is really overwhelming. And I can get very like hypomanic and just hyper fixate on that, and it consumes my life to try and start something or get the first thing done or even do the first step if I think it's huge. But if I can just say, like, for example, if you're wanting to start an Etsy shop, if you go to Canva and you make a login, if that's all you did today, that would be definitely 1% better than you were yesterday. So whatever you're doing, whether it's digital products, Etsy, whatever it might be, think about the one thing you could do. It could be literally as simple as making a login for a website that you know you're gonna need to use, and get that done today. Check it off your list. Write it down first and then check it off, because that feels better. But just start. Do something today. Let me know in the comments what you did, because I'm curious. Yeah, mine is this video, and I don't even know if I'm gonna figure out how to edit it and do all the fancy stuff. It might just end up being me sitting here talking to you. So don't judge me on this. It's my 1% for the day. So I encourage you guys to do the same. Let me know in the comments. And as always, subscribe if you want more videos. I don't know if they're gonna be like this. I think they're gonna be tutorials. I think some of them might be just me talking to you. I don't know, we're gonna see, but this is the first step. I'll see you guys on the next one.